and welcome to this very special show from here, the heart of Srinagar city. In the past month or so, several attempts have been made to shatter a carefully resurrected peace. In this episode, we'll try and examine why this has happened, whether Kashmiris still believe in the possibility of peace, and most importantly, are they still going to pay a price for it?
दो तीन साल से यही हुआ है, हड़ताल हुआ है, कर्फ्यू हुआ है, पता नहीं चल रहा है क्या हुआ है।
We don't want कि हमारा जो पीस है वो किसी भी एंगल में, किसी भी सूरत में डिस्टर्ब हो।
Life for a common Kashmiri or a common Kashmiri guy who is like 28, 29 like me is not as easy in Kashmir.
यहाँ पे अटैक हुआ 10 साल में एक बारी श्रीनगर के अंदर। Afsfa is still there. Why? कैसे हो रहा है ये मसला? देखो कश्मीर भी पूरा डैमेज हो गया इससे।
We are just like other people. We also want peace.
Kashmir had seen a phase of nearly 3 years of a relative calm, disrupted occasionally by the street protests that you saw in various parts of the valley. What had brought back a sense of peace was the fact that terror was not part of the daily lexicon. The attack on the CRPF Jawans here in these police grounds right next to the police public school, which you see right behind me, has changed that narrative, or at least attempted to change that narrative all over again. There are two important questions that we are asking at this point. Who ensures security and safety? And secondly, are Kashmiris really ready to go back to that reign of terror that was reminiscent of the turbulent 90s?
I think, with the democratic process in place, with, you need to empower the civil institutions more. You have a government which is talking of revocation of ESPA, but at the same time, they are bringing in a police bill wherein you are arming every policeman with the powers of ESPA. So there's a lot of confusion, but I think, draconian laws have to go.
When I go outside in the morning, anybody for that matter, he sees a CRP wala in a army green uniform. See the kind of impression, the kind of mental stress that it creates. Barbed wires, these bunkers and all. So if you remove these things from the site, this is the first step towards normalcy.
Current tensions began with the execution of Afzal Guru, which has continued to dominate headlines thanks largely to political parties who have used the issue along with a whole lot of rhetoric and political one-upmanship. I'm standing inside the Shaheed Mazar, also known as the Martyrs' Graveyard here in Srinagar, and clearly Afzal Guru has become a symbol of the alienation that many locals feel. At the same time, what needs to be examined is whether it is more about politics than really an emotive issue for the people of the valley.